Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, there is no specific data type called short integer as you might find in some other programming languages like C or C++. Python uses a flexible system of integers that can automatically adjust their size to accommodate the magnitude of the number you are working with. These integers are not constrained by a fixed number of bits like short integers in C, but they are limited by the available memory. However, in this tutorial, we will discuss integers in Python and how they work, including some optimizations that can be used to mimic the behavior of short integers. Python provides built-in support for integers, and they can be used to represent whole numbers without any fractional part. Python's integers are quite versatile and can represent numbers of practically any size, limited only by the available memory. Here's a simple example of integers in Python. In this example, we've created integers x, y, and z, performed arithmetic operations on them, and printed the results. Python can handle integers of various sizes effortlessly. Although Python's integers are not limited to a fixed number of bits, you can achieve behavior similar to short integers by using some optimization techniques. You can utilize the types library to create custom integer types with a specified number of bits. Here's an example. In this example, we've created a custom short integer type using types.c_int16, which is a 16-bit signed integer. This limits the range of values that can be stored in short_x and short_y to the range of a typical short integer. In Python, there isn't a built-in short integer data type like in some other languages. Python's integers are flexible and can handle numbers of varying sizes. However, if you need to mimic the behavior of short integers, you can use the types library to create custom integer types with a specific number of bits. Remember that these custom types are not as efficient as Python's native integers and are generally used in specific situations where strict bit level control is required. ChatGPT